Mary cycles at 6 km per hour. How long will she take to reach her auntie's house, which is 12 km away? If she cycles at a speed of 4 km per hour, how long would she take? Let's solve this. Solution. Mary cycles at 6 km per hour. Distance of her aunt's house is equal to 12 km. Therefore, speed is equal to 6 km per hour and distance is equal to 12 km. We know that time is equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, time is equal to 12 upon 6. By dividing 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Therefore, time is equal to 2 hours. Therefore, at the speed of 6 km per hour, she will reach auntie's house after 2 hours. Now, if she cycles at speed of 4 kilometers per hour, then speed is equal to 4 km per hour and distance is now 12 km. Therefore, again time is equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, time is equal to 12 upon 4. Therefore, time is equal to 3 hours. That means if she cycles at 4 km per hour speed, then she will take 3 hours to reach her auntie's house.